In this video we will create a clock generator. The clock generator will be a copy of the switch. The graphic object is created without the button. There will be more object variables to easily control the clock generator. The component counts up according to the rate, or uses the value of the state in a manual setting. We add the component to the panel and init accordingly. In the main we have to insert the component into the switches. We build a simple circuit and test the clock generator. Everything works as expected. Now we have all the components together and can therefore assemble the ALU in the next video.